Have you ever wished for a multifunctional tool that can do it all in your digital projects? Meet the Flipper Zero. It's not just any tool. It's a pretty cool gadget actually for hackers, IT pros, and electronic hobbyists. It's like Swiss Army knife, but for digital projects. How cool is that, huh? Now let's talk about the key features. Radio frequency analysis, Bluetooth, NFC, RFID, and even infrared. Ever wanted to copy emulate NFC tag? You can do it with that. Flipper makes it incredibly easy. What projects would you tackle first with these functions? Leave it in the comments, please. In terms of the connections, the Flipper isn't just about the USB or Bluetooth. You can actually add Wi-Fi dev board and do Wi-Fi things. By the way, there is an app for the smartphone too. You can actually control this guy from your smartphone. You can have it in your pocket, in your car, and use your smartphone to control. You can actually see the screen on your smartphone and click these buttons just like you're holding this guy. The battery life is actually really good. It can last up to months in a standby mode, doing nothing. And I've been running this guy for a week now, and the battery life is on 97%. It can lie around and be ready whenever you need it. You don't even need to turn it off. And the firmwares, you can actually put the different firmwares in it, and those other firmwares do pretty well. They even have their forums, platforms where they share tips and tricks and customizations. I personally think the Flipper Zero is a game changer, especially for those who love to explore and experiment in the tech field. It's a good blend of fun and functionality in a compact package. Do you see yourself using the Flipper Zero in your projects? Comment below. Thank you.